Hi, I'm Albert Bowkett from Perfinal Core Banking, and this is clip 2 in my series of Core Banking Essential FAQs. And today's FAQ is, who uses core banking? First thing to say here is that it is banks, not their customers, that directly use core banking. And that's usually what distinguishes core banking tech from the fintechs. It's all financial technology in the general sense, but in industry terms, the fintechs are those companies providing innovative frontline financial services to the customer, usually via an online app. These fintech apps, however, typically plug into pre-existing banks in the background via API connections. They've only recently been able to do that because of a regulatory move that compelled banks to allow third-party fintechs access to their customers. This was called open banking, and it really blew open the fintech market from around 2015. And that's where we get the other industry term, third-party provider, or TPP for short. So these front-end app-based third-party service providers were called fintechs. The pre-existing banks are often referred to as incumbent banks, while their back-end core banking providers are properly referred to as banking tech or simply core banking providers. By plugging into banks, fintechs are piggybacking on those banks' core banking systems. Some fintechs, however, may use their own core banking system, either from a core banking provider like Perfinal, or in some cases they might develop their own core banking platform in-house. As customers of a bank or a fintech, you and I are also indirectly using core banking systems because these are the systems that process our transactions in an efficient, legal and secure way. The point here is that there is no banking, whether over the counter, from an ATM, by card or with your phone, without core banking supporting those transactions somewhere in the background. So, core banking supports the banking systems we all use. Even if the shiny user interfaces we have on our smartphones make it appear like it all happens instantly in one place, the reality is that usually there's a lot more going on behind the scenes in order to complete the actual transaction, the accounting and the legal requirements.